Hi there, my name is Josh, and I am a college and career specialist, media coordinator, and student ambassador at Career Institute. In this video, we're going to do a quick Google Classroom walkthrough tutorial, hopefully to answer some generalized questions or frequently asked questions. And yeah, just show you all about how to use Google Classroom with Career Institute. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quick. You'll be at the main Google homepage. Make sure that you're logged into your desired account. Just note that in order to use Google Classroom, you will need a Gmail account. So if you don't already have one, or maybe you have one that isn't so professional, make sure that you create one or create a new one and make sure that it's professional. Something like maybe your first name and last name and a significant number in your life, something like that. If you have any questions at all, you can always Google it or reach out to your career mentor or college and career specialist. So you may not be able to see it right now, but at the top right-hand corner, there is a square with dots. You'll click on that to access your Google Apps. From here, you'll be able to see where Google Classroom is. You can move these around, of course. I remember Google Classroom being down here more, so I moved it up. So after you're logged into your desired account, you accepted the invite through your email. You'll be able to click on it, and there you go. You'll be able to see all the classrooms that you're in. So let's get right into it. So you'll click on the classroom, and right here you'll see 3 pages: stream, classwork, and people. So your stream, think of it like social media. It's your main feed. It's just gonna have updates, announcements, stuff like that. And then with classwork is where you'll have a bulk of your work. So this is probably where it'll be most of the time. At the top, you'll be able to see view your work, Google Calendar, Class Drive folder. You'll be able to see how to use Google Classroom with us, which will lead you to this video, of course. And then to the left, you have your topics. So in case you ever get confused, you can refer back to this video that's in here. But moving on, so I'm not gonna click on any of these. I'm just gonna scroll down real quick just to show you for a walkthrough. So first we have A game, then we have financial freedom, and then we have career portfolio. So one thing to know is to please, please, please read the directions. We don't want you to do more work than you have to. So for instance, with A game, each assignment has a video that you must watch while completing the assignment. Of course, there's directions on how to get a typable copy, which we'll go over later. But again, please, please, please read the directions carefully. I cannot stress this enough. Moving down to financial freedom, just continue on the instructions directions. So what is required is lesson 1 and then selecting 3 activities after that. So please, 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 because financial freedom has a lot of activities, do not do more work than you have to. And then scrolling down, career portfolio, again, different video, different instructions. Please, please, please read it as you go along. So using A game as an example, I'm going to show you how to get a typable copy of an assignment and then also how to turn it in. So to get a typable copy, you're going to go ahead and click on the assignment. From here, following the directions, you'll go to File, make a copy, and then you can rename it anything that you want. You can just put copy, you can put your name. Highly recommend putting your names just to make it clear. So whatever you would like to do, just make sure that you put something that signifies that it's yours. And then right over here at folder, you can save it to your drive or any other folder that you have. So I'm just going to save it to my drive and push OK. So from here, you'll be able to get a typable copy to complete the assignment. And there you go, you're good to go. Now, to turn in an assignment, you'll push View Assignment. You'll go to Add or Create. So you'll be able to go to your Google Drive or create anything else that's listed. And so you can go to Recent and you can turn in any of the assignments that you have. From here, you can push Turn In, you push Turn In. And the cool thing about Google Classroom is that you can unsubmit an assignment in case you're asked to do so to redo it, or in case you feel like you want to resubmit the assignment, or maybe you submitted it by accident, you can always unsubmit it. And there you go. Also, Google Classroom has this cool feature of private comments, so you can type a comment and it sends it to your teacher. You don't necessarily have to use it. It's an option. Of course, you can contact your career mentor or college and career specialist via phone or email, but it's nice to have a feature like that. So going back to the main page with Google Classroom, finishing this up, you click on people, you'll see all the teachers and classmates in your classroom. So here is listed all of the career mentors and college career specialists. So yeah, it's really nice. It's cool to see like who else is doing it with you. I think it's really nice, creates a sense of community. Just to review, Stream is going to have all your announcements, upcoming assignments, if there's a due date, etc. Classwork is the bulk of where you're probably going to be most likely. Please just make sure to read the instructions as you go along, watch any videos that are linked, etc. And if you're ever confused, again, please reach out to your career mentor or college and career specialist for more direction. And then lastly, people, which we just went over, shows you teachers and classmates that are in the classroom. So that's about it. Hopefully this answered some questions that any of you might have. But if you have any more questions, any feedback at all, maybe how we can improve Google Classroom, or maybe where you're stuck, please reach out to a career mentor or college and career specialist, and we'll do our best to help you. Again, hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching, and keep up the great work. Y'all have a great day.